Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about graphic design and dreaming of turning that passion into a full-time career, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to make money as a freelance graphic designer, from landing your first client to scaling your business and making a steady income. So if you're ready to turn your creativity into cash, let's dive in. Freelancing as a graphic designer gives you the freedom to work on projects you love, set your own rates, and be your own boss. The best part? The demand for talented designers is constantly growing. From startups needing a brand identity, to established businesses revamping their websites or social media, graphic designers are needed everywhere. But how do you go from just a passionate designer to making money from it? Let's break it down. Your portfolio is your most powerful tool as a freelance graphic designer. It's what shows potential clients what you can do and why they should hire you. Make sure it's diverse. Showcase a variety of design styles and industries you've worked in, like branding, web design, print materials, and digital graphics. Even if you're just starting out, create personal projects or mock-ups that display your skills. Here's a quick tip. When building your portfolio, focus on quality over quantity. You don't need to have hundreds of designs, but the ones you do have should be your absolute best. Also, make sure to have a clean, professional-looking website or portfolio on platforms like Behance, Dribbble, or even Instagram. The more polished your online presence, the more attractive you'll be to potential clients. Now that you have your portfolio ready, let's talk about getting clients. One of the easiest ways to find your first few clients is through freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and 99 Designs. These platforms help you connect with people who are actively looking for graphic design services. But don't limit yourself to just these sites. You should also be networking like crazy. Reach out to small businesses, local entrepreneurs, and other creatives who might need design work. Join Facebook groups, LinkedIn communities, and attend events or webinars. Word of mouth is powerful, and getting referrals from happy clients can be a huge game changer. Okay, now let's talk about money. Specifically, how to price your graphic design services. This is something a lot of new freelancers struggle with, but it's important to find a pricing structure that works for you. There are a few common ways to charge for your services: hourly, per project, or on a retainer basis. Let's break it down. Hourly rates work for smaller or open-ended projects, but most freelancers move to project-based pricing because it's more predictable. For example, you might charge a flat rate for designing a logo or a website layout. When you get more experience, you can even offer retainer contracts where clients pay you a set monthly fee for ongoing work. One of the most important parts of freelancing is protecting yourself legally and financially. Always have a contract in place with every client. This is a written agreement that outlines the project scope, timelines, payment terms, and usage rights for your designs. And when it comes to getting paid, make sure you have an easy and professional payment system. Use platforms like PayPal, Stripe, or even direct bank transfers. I recommend always asking for a deposit upfront, typically 50%, to secure the project and avoid any awkward situations with non-payment later on. Freelancing is more than just doing the creative work. It's about running your own business. You need to manage your time, finances, and clients like a pro. I recommend using tools like Trello or Asana for project management, and QuickBooks or FreshBooks for invoicing and taxes. It's easy to get caught up in the fun part, designing, but staying organized is key to making freelancing work long-term. Set a schedule, create templates for proposals and invoices, and always keep track of your income and expenses. As your freelance business grows, you'll want to scale it. Maybe that means increasing your rates, diversifying the services you offer, or even outsourcing work to other designers. Scaling could also mean creating passive income streams like selling design templates, fonts, or offering online courses. Scaling takes time, but once you get a system in place, you'll be able to take on bigger projects and earn more money while still enjoying the creative freedom freelancing offers. So there you have it. Freelancing as a graphic designer can be an incredibly rewarding way to make money, and with the right approach, you can build a sustainable career doing what you love. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more design and freelancing tips, and let me know in the comments. What's the biggest challenge you face as a freelance graphic designer? I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.